How to use and set up a jam session in Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to teach you how you can use and set up a jam session in Spotify. So if you're wondering how you can do it, you can just follow up the steps that I'm showing on the screen right now. So first of all, head over and open up your Spotify. After that, you can go ahead and tap on your profile at the top left corner. After that, go to the settings and privacy section. Here at the fourth option, you can find it, and under settings you can look up for the option called privacy and social. Just go ahead and tap on it. So when you go ahead and tap on it, you can find this option called jam, under which you can find this activate option. So if you activate this option called jam, you need to allow Bluetooth first of all in order to set up a jam session in Spotify. So go ahead and open up your Spotify and ask your friends nearby to enable Bluetooth access as well. And after that, your friends and you can go and start your jam session. So for that, after it is connected and after you're ready to jam, you can start playing a song. For example, this one right here. And when you go to the play screen, you can find this speaker and connect icon, which is at the bottom right corner, bottom left corner especially. Just go ahead and tap on it. So when you go and tap on it, you can easily find a start a jam session. This will create a link that you can share with the friends if your phones are connected. And Spotify will generate a unique link for your jam session. Copy the link and send it to your friends via text, just Bluetooth. And when your friends open the link, they will be directed to the jam session. And once they join, everyone can listen to the same music in real time and control the playlist together. Now you and your friends can enjoy listening to the same tracks, pause, play songs, skip tracks and add songs to the queue, and everyone has control over what's playing, and that is it. Now you've successfully set up a jam session in Spotify, so now you can listen to music together with friends in real time no matter where you are. So if this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips, and see you next time.